Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now if you follow beauty content, you must have seen that Kay Beauty has launched their jelly lip and cheek popsicle wands and they are all over the internet. So I decided to purchase one for myself and use it for a week so that I can give you my 100% honest, unsponsored opinion on this one. So this is how the outer carton looks like, and the Kay Beauty packaging, especially their carton, is quite standardized, and this is color coded because the shade that I've ordered is Strawberry Crush. Looking at it from inside, this is how it looks from the inside, and then this popsicle comes out of it. It literally made me so nostalgic because I started thinking about those tiny, lipstick kind of things that we used to open, apply, eat, and it actually gave me a whole nostalgia feel. So the packaging over here is very cute but also very practical because these kind of sticks are very travel friendly, and the application also goes on very easily, so you don't have to carry one extra brush or extra blender or anything for your blush. So I would give them a 10 on 10 for packaging. Now I do have a full face of makeup except the blush, which I'm going to apply right now in front of you guys. So this is how it looks like, and I'm just going to apply it. It's like literally gliding on. The smoothest, balmiest blush that I have ever put on my face, and now I'm just blending it using my hands. I'm not going to use any brush or any beauty blender for that matter because I know that this blush, it blends like a dream. Okay, I'm also going to apply a little bit on my nose because I want to. The formula over here is Balmy Pro Max. I mean, literally the balmiest thing that I've ever applied on my face. The formula is very smooth, very balmy, and also this product, since it is loaded with ceramides and peptides, as the brand is saying, it will work beautifully on dry skin because it's not just giving you the blush effect, it is also moisturizing and hydrating your skin. So yeah, I mean, I am a legitimate fan of the texture over here. The coverage of this product is quite disappointing because I did apply it one more time because I am a blush person and I really wanted my blush to, come across nicely. But yeah, I ended up with this. So yeah, the coverage is quite good. The finish is glossy but not high glossy, somewhere in the middle, because when I was applying it, looking at the formula and the whole popsicle thing that they're promoting, I thought that this is going to be a very high gloss finish product, but once you apply it and you let it sit on your skin for good 2 to 3 minutes, it settles into a beautiful, nice, like dewy finish. You can see the light traveling on my face, but it's not looking very chunka, right? So if you're someone who likes to wear a very soft gloss finish or a very nice dewy finish blush, you can definitely consider this one. After 1 attempt, 2 attempt, 3 attempt, 4 attempt, and 5,000 attempts. The pigmentation, of course, is not very high, but again, the brand is positioning it as a sheer finish blush, so you cannot expect the blush coverage to be very opaque. So from that point of view, the pigmentation is decent. This formula that they have come up with, this product, will work beautifully for dry skin and I think people with normal skin. But if you're someone who has oily skin or who sweats a lot, I don't think this blush is for you because it is so balmy that it's not going to sit well with oily skin type people. And especially now when it is summers and the humidity is just going to increase from here, anybody who sweats a lot, I don't think this formula is for you. The price of this blush is 1199 rupees, which is technically 1200 rupees, and even though I like most of the things about this blush, I still feel it is very expensive. The wear time of this blush is pretty decent. Like, I've had this for over a week now and I have worn it for 2 long duration parties. It was pretty intact, but this blush will stay only if you're not sweating. It's not a waterproof blush. Once you start sweating, you will literally see all the blush vanishing from your face. So if you're someone who sweats a lot or who has a very oily skin type, not for you. My conclusion is very simple. If you are someone who has a dry skin type or a normal skin type and you like these kind of sheer gloss finishes and you can easily afford to spend 1200 rupees on a blush, then you can go ahead and buy it. This product will not disappoint you. But if you're someone who sweats a lot or whose sebaceous glands are always active, then this blush is definitely not for you. So this was all about my unsponsored review about the SKAY Beauty Jelly Popsicle Blush and Lip Wands. I have tried to do full justice to this review and I really hope that you like it. Whatever your feedback is, do write it in the comment section below and I'll see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care and lots of love.